What's up guys, so in this video I'll show you how to create this particular text effect. Alright, so let's quickly get into it. Now we're going to head over to Freepik. Once you're there in Freepik, you open it up. Now we're in, and the next important thing we need to do is to head over to the side of the website and go to stop. Here you're going to see image, video, audio and everything. Just head over, click on PSD. Now we're in PSD, so we'd have to head to the search bar and type text. I'm going to search for text. This is going to bring out all the text effects that it has. So you guys watching this video, you can actually select anyone of your choice, anyone that you find interesting, anyone that you find nice that you would like to use. You can actually get them. But in this video we're going to be making use of a particular one. All these are nice. Alright, we have seen the particular one we need. You have so many other text effects, but this one we're going to be using for this video. So you click download and be patient a little bit. Alright, it's downloading. 52.5 MB. It's downloading. So you click on that, and it's going to take you straight to your file manager. Then you right click, extract, and that's been extracted. So here in Photoshop, head over to open. We're not going to be using new file, so head over to open. Here's the extracted PSD. You open it up, click on the PSD file and open. So it's going to open. Alright, you have it open. So what we're going to do now is to edit this to whatever we want. Alright, so we're going to take out the rulers. We won't be needing it. Let's take it out. Once we have done that, the next step we're going to take is to edit it. So you have to double click on that. Once you do that, you're going to be able to edit it. Head over to text and replace. That replaces because I don't have the particular font, so you use another font to replace it. What I'm going to do next is to search for the font that I want. Right? Search for the particular font that I want. We just have to search for the fonts that we want. I'm looking for fonts that is going to actually go well with that text effect. Not every font goes well with a particular text effect, right? I think I found something. This looks like it will go. How to edit the size. And we're going to change the text. We're going to change it. So we're going to use text. You can use anything, but in this video we're going to be using text. Once you save, you head over to the other tab. You can still edit the text. You can still change fonts. You can still do any other thing. You edit, you save, you export as PNG, then you import it to your design without background, and it's going to come out sparkling clean. Alright. So we'll have to, double the visibility of the background, and see how it came out. So that's how you can actually create such text effect and import it to your design, and it's going to come out perfectly well. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, if you want to learn how to create this short advert for a brand, comment AI and I'll send you the video.